हेलो एंड वेलकम टू डिस्कस विद डेरेक। आई एम एन अंडरग्रेड स्टूडेंट IIT रुड़की और आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ यू कैन गेट इनटू IIT रुड़की एंड फॉर दैट हाउ मच रैंक यू नीड टू गेट in particular branches and how much marks you need to score to achieve that rank. That is we are going to discuss in this video. All the ranks are based upon the official data of JOSA from the past 2 years 2019 and 2020, जहाँ से हम एक आइडिया लेंगे कि रफ एस्टिमेट क्या हो सकता है 2021 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, 2022 के एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए, 2023 के एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए, बिकॉज सम हाउ द ट्रेंड एवरी ईयर लुक्स सिमिलर. So yeah, we can get some approximate idea of what rank you need to score to get a particular branch in IIT Roorkee and what are the marks which are required for you to score that rank. So watch this video till the end to get a clear picture, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I've prepared a list of ranks for 2019 and 2020 for every branch at IIT Roorkee, and that is taken from the official website of JOSA. So here I have mentioned only open category. For others who belong to SC, ST, OBC, EWS, female reservation, they can check the data from the official website. I'll give the link in the description. So let's start alphabetically from the very first branch. The first branch is Applied Mathematics. It is a 5 years integrated MSc course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 1551 and closing rank was 2298, and for the year 2020 the opening rank shifted to 1937 but the closing rank remained similar, it was 2283. Now moving next alphabetically, the second branch is Architecture. It is a 5 years course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 10527 and the closing rank was 17756. Now if you see for 2020 the opening rank shifted much earlier, it was 8290, and the closing rank also shifted, it became 17126. Now moving on, next is Biotechnology. It is a 4-year BTech course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 6022 and the closing rank was 7566, and for the year 2020 the opening rank shifted ahead, it was 6249 and the closing rank again shifted ahead, it was 7675. Now moving on to Chemical Engineering. It is a 4 years BTech course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 3310 and the closing rank was 4384. Now for the year 2020 the opening rank shifted earlier, it became 2914 but the closing rank shifted ahead and it became 4612. Now moving on, Chemistry. It is a 5 years integrated MSc course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 8452 and the closing rank was 10541. Now for the year 2020 the opening rank and closing rank shifted ahead, it was 8657 and closing rank was 11999. Now moving on to next is Civil Engineering. It is a 4 years BTech course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 3433 and the closing rank was 5261, and for the year 2020 the rank shifted ahead, it opened at 3774 and closed at 6072. Now moving on to next is Computer Science and Engineering. It is a 4-year BTech course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 234 and the closing rank was 412, and for the year 2020 the opening rank shifted slightly ahead, it was 255 and closing rank was 422. Now for Electrical Engineering. It is a 4-year BTech course. For the year 2019 the opening rank was 1269 and the closing rank was 1856, and in 2020 the rank slightly shifted ahead, it opened at 1339 and closed at 1921. Now moving on to next is Electronics and Communication Engineering. It is a 4 years BTech course, and for the year 2019 the opening rank was 852 and the closing rank was 1198. Again for the year 2020 it slightly shifted ahead and it opened at 994 and closed at 1333. Moving on to next is Engineering Physics. It is again a 4-year BTech course. For the year 2019 the opening rank was 2588 and closing rank was 4069, and for the year 2020 it slightly shifted back and opened at 2391 and closed at 3830. Now moving on to next is Geological Technology, which is called GT. It is a 5-year integrated MTech, and in the year 2019 it opened at 8179 and closed at 10314. A similar thing was observed in 2020. It opened at 8073 and closed at 10251. Moving to next is Geophysical Technology, which is similar to Geological Technology. It is a 5-year integrated MTech, and for 2019 the opening rank was 5519 and the closing rank was 8439. But for the year 2020 the opening rank shifted ahead, it was 6667 and the closing rank again shifted ahead, it was 9021. Now moving to next is Mechanical Engineering. It is a 4-year BTech course. For the year 2019 the opening rank was 1677 and the closing rank was 2748. For the year 2020, it slightly shifted ahead and opening rank was 1953 and closing rank was 3276. Moving on to next is metallurgical and material engineering. It is a 4-year BTech course, and for the year 2019, the opening rank was 5145 and the closing rank was 6607. Now for the year 2020, it was a very slight change ahead. The opening rank was 5247 and the closing rank was 6824. Now moving on to next is physics, which is a 5-year integrated MSc course, and for the year 2019, the opening rank was 5110 and the closing rank was 8907. Now for the year 2020, the opening rank was 4955 and the closing rank was 7936. Moving on to next is polymer science engineering, which is a 4-year BTech course, but from this year onwards, this course is dropped by IIT Roorkee and will not be continued from now, so let's not talk about it. Moving on to next is production and industrial engineering, which is a 4-year BTech course, and for the year 2019, the opening rank was 3744 and the closing rank was 5235. Now for the year 2020, you could see a similar case. The opening rank was 3588 and the closing rank was 5397. So yeah, with that we have covered all the branches at IIT Roorkee and we have seen the corresponding ranks, opening and closing for each of the branches. So from this data, I hope you can infer some idea of what rank you should score in JEE Advanced to get your desired branch. Now moving on to next is how much marks you need to score to get your desired rank and the desired branch. So for that, you can't predict straight away, but somehow from the previous data you can infer some idea. So like if you see exams of 2018, 19, 20 and even 21, you could see a similar trend in getting the subject wise cutoff as well as the overall cutoff. But if you see 2016 paper, it was really tough and because of which the cutoff was very low. But if you see 2017 paper, it was much easier, so the cutoff went high. But somehow to get a rough idea of how much marks you should score to get a particular rank, I can share this with you on the screen. You can see. So for AIR 1 to 10, your score should be around 320. For AIR under 100, your score should be around 280, 290. For getting under 1000 rank, your score should be around 220, 230. For getting under 2000 rank, your score should be around 190, 200. Now for getting under 5000, your score should be 160 to 165. Now for up to 12,000, your score should be around 125, 130. So yeah, we have discussed the ranks which is required to get into IIT Roorkee based upon the past 2 years data from the official website of JOSA, and also the marks prediction to get the desired rank. All this might be valid for 2021, 2022, 2023 aspirants, and they can get some idea during the counseling, and also the one who are preparing, they can get some idea what rank and what marks they need to score in order to get the desired branch. So yeah, that's it for today. In order to promote it more, do like, share, subscribe, comment, because that's how you will engage more with this video and that's how YouTube algorithm will work. The more you engage, the more YouTube will promote this video. So yeah, that's it for now. You can connect with me personally on Instagram. I'll see you in upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Goodbye.